Yes, the time has finally come, and here we are with the first unboxing of the Meta Quest Pro, aka Project Cambria, right in the video with the first leak that shaked up the internet this morning or night. Yeah, I didn't sleep much. Hey, Ty here, so welcome to the VeryEvilShadow channel. Let's discover this unboxing together, and let's see for the first time. No renders, no nothing, just the real deal, the Meta Quest Pro. Let's get into it. Alright, here we are. So first of all, the story about this leak is quite fantastic because, well, it doesn't seem like a real leak, but what companies actually do on purpose to have these things going around and having free marketing. So people start to talk about it, are getting used to it. A hotel worker got in the room, someone left too. Meta Quest Pro, because yeah, usually you leave stuff in the hotel, and he decided to make a video. So yeah, it seems a bit done on purpose, but hey, we got the video, we got the leak, so let's go along with it. If you lost your job, just know that the VR community appreciate your sacrifice. Peace. So everything started with the Ramiro Carderas that actually posted 2 images on Facebook about the boxes of the Meta Quest Pro. Many people didn't really believe the leak, so actually later posted also a video. So these images show the box of the engineering sample of the Meta Quest Pro, but from the look of the box, well, it seems like a kind of a ready headset already. Unfortunately, long gone are those funny boxes with the iron on it. But yeah, the first glance in the box and what we're gonna see also in the video is the fact that yes, it's very slim indeed, like we saw also Zuckerberg wearing it, and in the renders, the official renders that we got, and that we officially have the cameras on the controller itself. They're gonna be able to track themselves without tracking ring and without relying on external cameras or the cameras that are on our headset itself. And from the video itself, we can see how slim this headset is. And that's all thanks to the pancake lenses that are using this time. These are gonna make this headset much more compact, but the FOV is not gonna be super large, of course. Pretty much the same one that we use it to right now. We can see this Halo style design very similar to HoloLens 2, in fact, and the big cameras in front, because the standalone headset is gonna have mixed reality capabilities. We already saw some videos directly from Meta highlighting a bit what we're gonna have to expect from this, but we're gonna have a next generation Snapdragon chipset inside, so more powerful than the Quest 2, and we're gonna have color pass-through, so we're gonna be able to see our environment around in full color and high resolution, and we're gonna be able to put virtual objects, virtual things, virtual environments right on our real environment, a real mixed reality experience. And the resolution will be very good because we're gonna have 2 mini LED LCD display with a resolution of 2160 by 2160 each eye. Also, being a VR headset at the core, is gonna be able to run every single Oculus Quest 2 application. So if you wanna play some games, well, you're gonna be able to do it. The only thing, this is gonna be much pricier than the Quest 2, of course. They said that we're gonna be much more than $800, so we are gonna see probably something over the $1,000, but this is absolutely full of features. We're gonna have face tracking, the ability to actually move your face in VR, eye tracking to actually help with the resolution, and at the same time to move your eyes in VR and to know where you're looking at in the environment. There's some controversy there. High resolution next generation screens with new lenses, new design overall, new chipset, more RAM. There's gonna be around 12 GB instead of 6 that we had in the Quest 2. But one of the most exciting things in this headset are actually the cameras on the controller themselves, that they seem very slim, not having the rings on it for the tracking. They're gonna use different cameras on it, as we see in the video, to actually track themselves without relying on the cameras on the headset itself. So if you put your controller in the back or behind your headset or behind something, well, they're still gonna track in the virtual environment. But yeah, as you can tell, I'm very excited for the headset. The Quest Pro is kind of an uninspired name, but hey, that's what you got. Project Cambria sounded very cool indeed. But yeah, it's a pro version of the Quest, so kind of makes sense. And we don't have to wait much longer to actually know more about this headset, because October 11, like Zuckerberg confirmed, we're gonna have the real announcement at Meta Connect. that is gonna happen again online this year. Well, what the start of the week. So yeah, this was an unboxing of the Oculus Meta Quest Pro coming very soon, and the fact that we already have the boxes already, and this was an engineering sample, so of course it's for people to work on it, but it seems already ready also from the packaging to be sold. How much are you willing to spend for this next generation mixed reality headset? And also, do you actually believe these leaks? Let me know in the comment below. Of course, we're gonna see it when it's gonna release together on the channel, so click the subscribe button, I guess. And yeah, as always, if you like the video, like. If you didn't like this, like. Subscribe to the channel for all VR tech. Leave all the channel's join button there. Little further, also the Patreon. Thanks for all for the support, and I see you guys next video. Thanks for watching.